Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Imagine it's 1993 and the world is on the cusp of a revolution. The internet is still in its infancy, but the possibilities are endless. We're talking about an era where dial-up connections were just beginning to become mainstream, and the concept of the web was slowly starting to sink into our collective consciousness. At Microsoft, they're recognizing the seismic shift that's happening. In fact, their own human resources vice president, Mike Murray, is singing the praises of email, calling it a way to create an electronic village where people can transcend time and geographic barriers. Just 3 months later, in May 1993, Microsoft sends out a memo titled The Internet Tidal Wave, acknowledging that this technology is about to change everything. Now, let's dive into the mind of Bill Gates, who's been watching this phenomenon unfold. In a fascinating interview from 1995, he shares his thoughts on how Microsoft plans to conquer the internet. He talks about creating a web portal called MSN, which would become an essential hub for accessing online content and services. But what does this mean for personal privacy? Denise Caruso, editor of Digital Media magazine, raises some very valid concerns. She points out that with the rise of email and instant messaging, people's credit card numbers and sensitive information are being transmitted through networks without any real safeguards in place. This was a pressing issue back then, and it remains so today. The debate about how to protect our personal data has only intensified as technology continues to advance at an exponential rate. Microsoft Sphere is all about exploring the intersection of technology, society, and humanity, and this story highlights just how far we've come and how much work remains to be done. As we look back on this pivotal moment in history, it's clear that the choices made by pioneers like Bill Gates had a profound impact on our world today. The internet has become an integral part of our daily lives, shaping the way we communicate, access information, and interact with each other. But what does the future hold? How will we harness the power of technology to create a better, more equitable world for all? These are questions that Microsoft Sphere is dedicated to exploring, and we invite you to join us on this journey of discovery.